This is the LensGo LWM-318c, the most affordable wireless microphone in the market right now. How good is it? Let's find out. Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new here and you're kinda interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please feel free to like my page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get down to business. Now before anything else, I would like to clarify that I am not an audio engineer nor an audio specialist, but this is not the first time I reviewed a microphone. So back to the video. Now there are a lot of microphone companies who are rising up from the deep sleep and giving us a lot of options to choose from, whether it is a pro level microphone or a prosumer microphone. And right now I have this wireless microphone from the company LensGo. They sent me two microphones to review, but for this video I'm going to review the LensGo LWM-318c. Now I was supposed to upload this a week after they sent me this, but I felt like that I need to test it more on how good this is and what are some of the things that you need to keep in mind. Here I am, so let's do the unboxing. It has a very unique packaging design. Upon opening this part, there is a Velcro and you will see the instructions on how to use this wireless microphone instantly. And it's a very detailed one. I gotta give LensGo a 10 for doing this extra effort for us. And also you can see the RX and the TX in that window. So let's see what's inside. And by the way, the 318c has two color variations. The one is black and I got here the white version. Inside the box is the instruction manual, a carrying pouch, and this is the TX. And look at that strong magnet. It has a very nice build, same with the RX, and the size is very nice too. Very portable. The RX and the TX label is a very nice touch too. Now the accessories. They have included a lanyard, two micro USB cable for charging, one lavalier microphone, a TRRS to TRRS for smartphone, a TRS to TRS for cameras, camcorders, and a GoPro. An extra magnet that you can stick anywhere in case you need it, a dead cat for the built-in microphone, and lastly the SIM card pin for the reset and the lav mic clip. Now let's check the TX and RX. They are almost identical in layout. On the sides are the micro USB port for charging. On this side is the LED indicator and the power switch. And on this part is where the TX is different, because together with the 3.5mm jack is the built-in microphone. On this side is what I call half awesome magnet clip, in which I'll be talking about later. So here is the extra magnet with a double-sided tape. The dead cat is a bit stiff in my opinion, but it's good to have it. The lavalier mic looks generic, but it has a LensGo logo printed in the mic input jack, which is very nice. Now the unboxing is done, let's set it up. Connect the RX to the camera. Switch on both TX and RX. Out of the box, both of these devices are already paired. Connect the lav mic. Attach the mic. Now that it's set it up, it's time to test it out. I will connect the LensGo LWM-318c directly to this Canon M50. Just to be clear guys, this room that I got here doesn't have a sound treatment, so you'll be hearing a lot of noise. Right, so this is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-318c. It is directly connected to my Canon M50 and I'm using the included lavalier mic as you can see here in my collar. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the lav mic and change it with just the built-in microphone. This is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-318c. It is directly connected to my Canon M50 and I'm using the built-in microphone. And let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright, so this is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-318c. It is directly connected to my Canon M50 and I'm using the built-in microphone with the dead cat in it. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Right now we're outside to test out the LensGo LWM-318c and I'm with my buddy here, Adrian, as you can see. Right, so this is a test using the LWM-318c. It is directly connected to my Canon M50. I'm using the included lavalier microphone, and let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. It's basically arm's length away from my mouth, and it's on top of my camera while it's in the gimbal. I'm using the G6 Max by Feotech. Right, so we're gonna do a distance test. Right now I'm currently 6 feet away from my camera, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to count while I walk away from the camera. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 27, 29. $74, $75, $76, $77, $78, $79, $80, $81, $82, $84, $85, $86, $80. Okay, that's a bit tiring, and I think that's a good test because there's other people blocking the signal. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Now, upon checking that test we did earlier, you can't use this in a situation where you need to walk around far away from your camera because you're gonna experience some audio and signal drops, as I've experienced earlier in my distance test. And also, I would suggest that you use this wireless microphone in studio or indoor shoots if you're going to use this for a documentary video or an interview video. This microphone is definitely for close range use and indoor use because that is where you can maximize the wireless feature of this microphone. So that's it, guys. I'm going back to the studio and I'm gonna give you my verdict for this microphone. Alright, so here are my thoughts about this wireless microphone. For the build quality, I could say that this microphone is really a tough one. I accidentally dropped this 2 times from my chest down to the floor, and that was the time when I was testing it. And what happened was the lock between the body kind of opened. I just snapped it in and it's still working. Now, as I've said earlier, this mag clip is half awesome. Now, it is awesome because it kind of copied the style from the Rode Mag Clip Go. And the magnet is no doubt strong. See? So you can clip it anywhere in your body. However, because the clip doesn't have a stopper, it goes around like this, going 360 rotation. And that is the reason why I dropped it 2 times in a row. If it goes like this and you did a wrong move, or you kind of snap it out like this, you see? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, no, see? Something like that. You get the idea. And I was trying to adjust the lavalier mic on my collar, and I accidentally, you know, do this. See? Yeah, it didn't fall because I'm trying to be careful. Yeah, you get the idea, guys. And I wish they can add up an accessory that will kind of stop this rotation. It does have an advantage though, but I prefer that it's not doing the 360. It is a minor thing though, but you have to keep in mind and you have to be careful using this thing. For the audio, the built-in microphone has a hot gain, meaning it's a bit louder. So make sure you adjust the gain inside your camera to avoid clipping. Now the lav mic is surprisingly sounds good in my opinion. So I will definitely use this combo instead of using the built-in microphone just to avoid clipping, and it is very nice for a run and gun setup because you don't have to fiddle on your volume inside your camera. And as of the time of shooting this video, this wireless microphone is the most affordable in the market right now. If you're a vlogger and you're looking for a affordable wireless microphone or your very first wireless microphone, this one is for you. If you're an aspiring filmmaker, a documentary, doing some interviews, and you need a wireless mic system, this one is definitely for you. I will leave a links in the description below, so check it out. And I'd say this is a very affordable price for a wireless microphone with a nice audio quality. Alright, for the last test guys, just to give you an idea about interference and signal drops if there's anything blocking the TX and the RX. Now what I'm about to show you is just an audio recording while I was roaming around in our house, testing out whether the TX and the RX will have any interference if I enter a room or in the bathroom. Alright, so I'm using the LWM-318c from LensGo. This is their wireless microphone. It came with a one transmitter and one receiver, and it's currently compatible with a smartphone and camcorders, a GoPro. I already tested it and so far it works great. So right now I'm 6 feet away from my iPad Pro and I'm using the Beast Grip Cam Pro, the newest professional level camera app in the App Store right now. So I'm going to walk around in our house to see if it will affect the signal whenever I enter the bathroom or in one of the rooms in this house. So let's do this. So I'm walking right now. I'm going to our bedroom right now. So I'm closing the door as well so that we can see if it's affecting the signal. So these doors are sliding doors and it's built with glass. So okay, so I'm moving to the other room. I'm going to the bathroom right now, so I'm going to close the door as well, and the door is built in aluminum, so right now it is closed. So by the way, I'm using the lavalier microphone that came with it, so let's see if there's any signal drop. I'm going to check it right now. So I'm in my table right now, so I'm going to stop this recording. And that's it guys. What do you think about the LWM-318c from LensGo? Let me know in the comment section below. And also if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And I will also leave the links in the description below for their Facebook page and some online stores where you can get this affordable wireless microphone. And just to be clear guys, this is just an initial thought about this wireless microphone. So I will make another video for this microphone in a month or maybe earlier. So stay tuned guys. Alright, so I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Again, this is the Art of Sir Eden tech version. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you in my next video guys. Peace. Stay safe guys.